Hello everyone. We are going to discuss solution of question number 95, booklet code A of CSIR December 2018. In this, we have to find out the structures of the products A and B formed after adamant degradation of the given dipeptide. Adamant degradation is one of the most widely used methods to identify the N-terminal amino acid of a polypeptide. In this method, a polypeptide is treated with phenyl isothiocyanate, commonly known as Adamant's reagent. Under mild basic condition, Adamant's reagent reacts with the N-terminal amino group to form product A, which under mild acidic condition undergoes cyclization to produce species B. Species B eliminates N-terminal amino acid as thiazolinone derivative, resulting a polypeptide R'(NH2) that doesn't have original amino acid. The thiazolinone derivative rearranges in dilute acid to a more stable phenyl thiohydrantoin. In the given example, R is equal to isopropyl and R prime is equal to 2 propanoic acid group. So, option number 4 will be the right option.